When shopping for an elliptical, you want one that moves the way you move. That's exactly what you get with the Horizon Andes 5. Every new Horizon Andes folding elliptical has a comfortable and natural footpath. It comes from 6 critical design features that combine to produce the best elliptical motion available. You'll notice how easy it is to get on and get moving. The handlebars are right where they should be so you can maintain your posture throughout your stride. And the footpath matches your usual gait when you walk or run. Plus, the Cardio Compass display helps you maintain your effort so you get the results you want. This exclusive feature works with any wireless heart rate monitor. And when you're done with your workout, the Andes 5 folds in a single step. The compact size and simple storage make the Andes 5 an easy fit for your home and your life.